wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best bento boxes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The entirety of the lunchbots container is made from heavy-duty stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about toxins from plastic finding their way into your food. There is a slight downside though, as its metal construction also means it can't go in the microwave. It works for hot and cold foods and is nearly impossible to damage. However, the lid is not watertight. At number 9, featuring a removable stainless steel vacuum-sealed compartment for hot foods, the Omie Box for kids makes it easy to send little ones off to school with a balanced lunch. Take note though that it must be dried very thoroughly after cleaning to prevent mold. It's double-walled for insulation and you can choose from 5 vivid colors, but it is difficult to close. Coming in at number 8 on our list, a fun choice for kids, the Box Rover is available in a variety of colorful themes, including rainbows, dinosaurs, and rockets. It includes 2 small lidded containers for sauces and other messy items, and all the pieces are dishwasher safe for a quick and easy cleanup. It comes with a padded carrying bag and is made from recycled materials. However, this one's not suitable for hot foods. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for bento boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Skater 2 tier sports a removable indented tray for holding sushi rolls or small snacks, and includes a handy drawstring bag for carrying. Plus, once you're finished eating, the containers conveniently nest together, taking up less space in your backpack or cabinet. It's a traditional Japanese design with an elastic band that keeps the pieces together, but it has to be washed by hand. Moving up our list to number 6. If you have teenagers at home, you know they can be bottomless pits when it comes to food. The Brandenburg Classic will help make their diets as healthy as their appetites, with plenty of room and multiple containers for dividing a good variety of foods. It comes with a money-back guarantee, and the tightness of the clips is adjustable. It's a durable stainless steel design. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Comfort Loft Modern is made from a durable BPA-free plastic that can withstand accidental drops without cracking. It's safe for the dishwasher and microwave, and you can rely on its strong elastic band to keep it tightly sealed. It features a nifty utensil holder in the lid, 2 separate removable food containers, and reusable chopsticks. At number 4, brightly colored and stylishly designed, the ProAid Lunch is ideal for kids and adults who need a compact storage solution for transporting meals from place to place. It's less than 8 inches wide, so it should fit easily into a backpack. It includes a steel spoon and fork and 2 layers for separating items. It's sturdy and leak-proof. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Pack lunch for the whole family with the A2S Protection Meal Prep, which comes as a set of 3. Made of antibacterial BPA-free plastic, they can also be used to store food in the refrigerator or freezer for later in the week. They come with secure snap-blocking lids and a microwave and dishwasher safe. The smaller compartments are removable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for bento boxes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, when you're traveling with food bouncing around in your bag, you want to make sure whatever it's stored in is airtight. The GrubToGo container is that and more, with an integrated vent system to keep its contents fresh and ready to eat. It sports an attractive minimalist style and comes with a healthy meal ideas guide and strong silicone-lined lids. And taking the top spot on our list, with 4 stylish colors to choose from and the ability to accommodate a substantial amount of food, the monbento square is an optimal choice for trendy individuals who need a lot of fuel throughout the day. The lid is super tight, so there's no need to worry about spills. It's lightweight and easy to travel with, and each chamber seals individually. It can be stored in the freezer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for bento boxes, or simply click beneath this video.